Hi everyone, this is Harlis from Duramat. In this video, I will introduce
the SINOTRUK-Steyr D10 series of automotive engines. SINOTRUK Hangzhou Engine Co. Limited was established in 1958 and produced China's first high-speed automotive diesel engine, the 6120 in 1965. In 1984, it fully introduced Austrian Steyr technology. Today, building on its decades of expertise in Steyr engine manufacturing, it has developed a series of high-performance automotive engines, including the WD615, WD615 and D10 series. In 2009, SINOTRUK partnered with Germany's MAN and introduced advanced engine technology, which has been localized into the MC series. The company has successfully built a world-class engine manufacturing system with production equipment and capabilities ranking among the best globally.
the D10 series features an inline six-cylinder,
4-stroke, water-cooled, direct injection, and displacement of 9.7 meters.
Power output ranges from 206 kilowatts to 276 kilowatts,
with rated speeds of 1,900 to 2,000 RPM. Maximum torque ranges from 1,190 to 1,560 Nm, with peak torque occurring between 1,200 to 1,500 RPM. It features a turbocharger and intercooled intake. The D10 engine has become one of the most mature, reliable, and cost-effective high-power diesel engines in China, widely used in medium and heavy-duty truck markets.
SINOTRUK adopts a dual-platform strategy of
MAN and Steyr to meet different emission standards and application scenarios.
The D10 series belongs to the Steyr technology platform,
known for its rugged durability, convenient maintenance, and ample spare parts supply, making it a reliable choice for traditional users.
The D10 automotive engine is suitable for
various commercial vehicle types including medium and heavy-duty trucks, tractor trucks, and lister trucks, making it an ideal power choice for logistics transportation, mining operations, and other fields.
The standard D10 series of automotive engine
comes with the following accessories:
intercooler, turbocharger, flywheel, starter motor, oil pump. Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact Duramat at any time.
For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage, www.duramat.com.